Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to lay some track. Now, let me go ahead and get us back to where we left off in the other video. Remember, I can change my degree by going to the drive and changing the angle constraint, and we were at 360 degrees. So I'm going to put that back, and that's where we were, but I want to be at 0 degrees in order to lay some track. So now I'm going to put 0 back in and get to here, and this is where we'll start this video. Now, I'm going to be lazy about laying track. I think that I can do this really easy if I use pattern. And I want to go to rectangular pattern. I want to select my track and I want to select the rectangular pattern here. And then I try to do this to click the second thing, and I find that it's really difficult when I'm clicking around because what it's asking me to do is show me a direction. So if I click on this little line here, which is the top part of the track, we're right in the groove, it gives me an arrow. Now hopefully I can get close enough so you can see that. And that is an arrow that is going to give away and going to be the way which I can extend my track to 5 tracks instead of just 1. So I'm going to click on the arrow, and now this opens up. It asks me how many times do I want it, and I want this to be 5. And how far do I want them spaced out? I gave you a hint in the last video that it's 12 inches, and voila, everything lines up all the way down the track. And I hit OK, and I'm well on my way to sending my train all the way down the track so that I can capture the animation. So now let's go back to Drive and right click on Drive, then left click Drive, and let's figure out how far. If we can go 360 degrees, and that gives me one track, which we've already experimented with. Why don't we just go 5UL times 360 degrees and figure out what happens. So when I've done the math, which makes it easy, math makes it a lot easier. It's a shortcut, not the long cut. I can go ahead and click on play, and here I go down the track, and hopefully I don't go over the edge and fall. Oh, 5 is not enough. And this is where I'm going to leave you off. I'm going to go ahead and leave mine at 5. You're going to have to figure out how to get all the way to the end of the track. And I'm going to show you how to capture the animation. So this little red button here will allow me to capture a video of my animation. I want to put it in the right folder. So my folder's on my desktop, inside Project Lead the Way. And I'm going to say train animation video. Let's train animation video and hit save. And then I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to play it. And here it goes all the way down the track. La, la, la. And it doesn't go all the way down the track because that's your job to do. You need to capture yours going all the way to the end of the track. I'm going to go ahead and do something here real quick to get mine to go all the way down to the end of the track. And I'm going to go ahead and go back and play again. And boom, there I go. But I'm not going to tell you what I did. You're going to have to figure it out. Thank you guys very much for paying attention, for doing the hard work that's going to get you the places you need to go. Take care.